My name is Rajan Gupta. I am from Shree Dhanvantri Herbals Private Limited. We are the Ayurvedic herbal firm. We have two manufacturing units, one in Amritsar, Punjab, and one in Himachal Baddi. We are 74 years old firm. Fourth generation is in the business, and next year it is the luckiest year for us. We will going to turn into 75. So we have overall 400 to 500 products. Overall 400 to 500 products. We have our own marketing team in the India, in the 23 states of India, around 600 people. Apart from them, we do the third party for the big players also. I am sure that you have heard their name. One is Pet Safa, advertised by Mr. Johnny Lever. Then it is Dr. Ortho, advertised by Mr. Ajay Devgan, and many more like Gynoveda, Kapiva, Shilajit, juices, everything. We are in India, if we talk about, we are in the top five in the contract manufacturing, third party, and white labeling, and in our own revenue also. That we can innovate, we can accept the challenges, we can develop new product. We have our own research team, R&D team, and we like that all the new ideas, the new startups, we collaborate with them, provide the natural solutions apart from the allopathy, in which there is no side effect, because Ayurveda has no side effects. This is the best part. I will tell you, not before, after. Once we have here in our stall, what we expected was to have a good customer footfall, the open trade business, but the result is far more than our expectations. Like we have think of only 40-50%, but it is 400 to 500%. We are getting very good results, very good customer base, and the facility and the setup maintained very well. I should say it is awesome.